Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of microwave safe gloves at home using regular cotton fabric. They are not only heat resistant and safe, but also washable and reusable, way more eco-friendly than store-bought ones. Cotton fabric outer layer, thick cotton batting insulating layer, a ruler, scissors, and a mark. First, draw the shape of your hand on a paper pad, leaving about a 1.5 cm seam allowance. For the outer fabric, cut 2 pieces. And for the cotton batting, also cut 2 pieces. Now, let's start sewing and putting the gloves together. Place the fabric pieces right sides together, with the cotton batting on the outside. Sew along the dry line all the way around, leaving a small opening to turn it inside out. After turning it right side out, close the opening with hand stitching or a sewing machine. And that's it! A pair of safe and durable microwave cotton gloves is ready to use. If you enjoy DIY too, give me a thumbs up. For more simple and practical handmade tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And here is a little teaser. In the next episode, I'll be making a heat-resistant pot holder.